Welcome to the Updating Zoom on an Apple Computer video tutorial. To begin, we need to select and open the browser that you use. In my case, it's Google Chrome, but it also might be Safari or another such web program. Move your mouse over this and double-click to open it. Now at the top of your screen, you'll see the address field. Click here and type nanaimocommunitydances.com and hit return or enter. You'll soon see a new screen, and in the middle you will find a click here to update link, as you see here. Click this link to continue. In the new screen, click Update Zoom in the middle of the page. Your download will now begin. Notice you can watch the status in the bottom left corner of your screen. Or in other browsers, this may look slightly different. Wait for this download to complete and then open it by double-clicking it. A new screen will show up asking you to continue. Press continue and then continue again, and then install. To have it install, you may have to enter your password for your computer. Wait, and it will be installed. Once complete, hit close, and then you can either keep or move to trash. And that's it. You have now installed and updated Zoom on your Apple computer. You can check by checking the version that comes up. If you would like further tutorials on how to connect to Zoom, feel free to check our tutorials section on our website.